working out. Sitting with self is a healing practice, is a therapeutic practice, and of course it's a spiritual practice. But it's not at all easy, though it has a lot of benefits. Sitting with self actually helps us to know more about self, connect to self much more, understand self much, understand our weaknesses, our strengths, our resources, what works out for us, what doesn't work out for us. And sometimes most of the times it gives solutions to the questions that we are really want to know about. It just comes as an understanding. And also, sitting with self, as I said, it's not at all easy, because when we sit with ourselves, too many emotions, like too many emotions will surface, like hatred, resentment, anger towards people who have done us wrong, and disappointments, that things haven't worked out in the way we wanted, and of course love, compassion, kindness, um, towards people that are very close to our heart, and also regret, and again disappointment that we could not do much to those people who hold to our heart dearly and who are not there with us. And of course there is that missing factor of those loved ones we've lost physically. So many, it's actually a sea of emotions, lot of feelings that actually covers when we sit with self. But sitting with self is required. It's a beautiful process, and yet it is not that easy to sit with self. But once you start sitting with self, giving time to self, and going inward, it is so addictive. You would want to go back to you, go back to you, go back to you, and that relationship with self is wonderful. Try this out, okay? And then thank you for supporting my work always. This really means a lot.